Haribol Dandot Pranam. So I was reciting Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Madhya Leela, 6th chapter. I think today is the third part. So let me continue that. Before that, pray to Gurudev, Guru Varga, to the Supreme Lord and His dear associates. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitamena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kancana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Rishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So first I am going to recite from text 199 to 207. सुनी भट्टाचार्य रमने हैला चमत्कार प्रभु के कृष्ण जानी करे आपना अधिकार इहो तो साक्षात कृष्ण मोई न जानिया महा अपराध कैनो गर्वित हैया आत्मनिंदा करी लैला प्रभुर शरण कृपा करी बारे तबे प्रभुरा हैल मन निज रूप प्रभु तारे कराइला दर्शन चतुर्भुज रूप प्रभु हैला तखन देखाइला तारे आगे चतुर्भुज रूप पाछे श्याम वंशी मुख स्वकीय स्वरूप देखी सार्वभौम दंडवत करी पड़ी पुनः उठी स्तुति करे दुई कर जुड़ी प्रभुर कृपाय तार स्फुरीला सब तत्व नाम प्रेम दान आदि वर्णेन महत्व शत श्लोक कैला एक दंड ना यैते बृहस्पति तैचे श्लोक ना पारे करीते सुनी सुखे प्रभु तारे कैला आलिंगन भट्टाचार्य प्रेमावेश हैला अचेतन. Translation. Upon hearing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's explanation of the Atma Rama verse, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was struck with wonder. He then understood Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to be Krishna in person, and he thus condemned himself in the following words. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is certainly Lord Krishna himself. Because I could not understand him and was very proud of my own learning, I have committed many offences. When Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya denounced himself as an offender and took shelter of the Lord desired to show him mercy. To show him mercy, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu allowed him to see his Vishnu form. Thus he immediately assumed 4 hands. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu first showed him the 4-handed form and then appeared before him in his original form of Krishna, with a blackish complexion and a flute to his lips. When Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya saw the form of Lord Krishna manifested in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he immediately fell down flat to offer him obeisances. Then he stood up and with folded hands began to offer prayers. By the mercy of the Lord, all truths were revealed to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and he could understand the importance of chanting the holy name and distributing love of Godhead everywhere. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya composed 100 verses in a very short time. Indeed, not even Brahaspati, the priest of the heavenly planets, could compose verses as quickly. After hearing the 100 verses, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu happily embraced Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, who was immediately overwhelmed in ecstatic love of Godhead and fell unconscious. Text 208 to 216. अश्रु स्तंभ पुलक स्वेद कंप थराहरी, नाचे गाय कांदे पड़े प्रभु पद धरी। देखी गोपीनाथ आचार्य हर्षित मन, भट्टाचार्य नृत्य देखी हासे प्रभुर्गण। गोपीनाथ आचार्य कहे महाप्रभुर प्रति, से भट्टाचार्य प्रभु कहले यही गति। प्रभु कहे तुम्ही भक्त तोमार संग हिते, जगन्नाथ यहाँ रे कृपा कैला भालमते। तबे भट्टाचार्य प्रभु सुस्थिर करिला, स्थिर हैया भट्टाचार्य बहु स्तुति कैला। जगत निस्तारिले तुम्ही सेह अल्प कार्य, आमा उद्धारिले तुम्ही ये शक्ति आश्चर्य। तर्क शास्त्रे जड आमी जैसे लौह पिंड, आमा द्रवाइले तुम्ही प्रताप प्रचंड। स्तुति सुनी महाप्रभु निज वास आईला, भट्टाचार्य आचार्य द्वारे भिक्षा करायला। 8 दिन प्रभु गेला जगन्नाथ दर्शने, दर्शन करिला जगन्नाथ शयोत्थान। Translation: Out of ecstatic love of God, the Bhattacharya shed tears and his body was stunned. He exhibited an ecstatic mood and he perspired, shook and trembled. He sometimes danced, sometimes chanted, sometimes cried and sometimes fell down to touch the lotus feet of the Lord. While Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was in this ecstasy, Gopinath Acharya was very pleased. The associates of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu all laughed to see the Bhattacharya dance. Gopinath Acharya told Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sir, you have brought all this upon Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied, You are a devotee. Because of your association, Lord Jagannath has shown him mercy. After this, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu pacified the Bhattacharya, and when he was quiet, he offered many prayers to the Lord. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya said, My dear sir, you have delivered the entire world, but that is not a very great task. However, you have also delivered me, and that is certainly the work of very wonderful powers. I had become dull-headed due to reading too many books on logic. Consequently, I had become like an iron bar. Nonetheless, you have melted me, and therefore your influence is very great. After hearing the prayers offered by Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned to his residence, and the Bhattacharya, through Gopinath Acharya, induced the Lord to accept lunch there. Early the following morning, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to see Lord Jagannath in the temple, and he saw the Lord rise from his bed. Text 217 to 225. पूजारी आनिया माला प्रसाद अन्न दिला, प्रसाद अन्न माला पाइया प्रभु हर्ष आइला। सेई प्रसाद अन्न माला आंचले बांधिया, भट्टाचार्य घरे आइला तोरा युक्त हैया। अरुणोदय काले आइला प्रभु रागमन, सेई काले भट्टाचार्य रहिला जागरण। कृष्ण कृष्ण स्फुट कही भट्टाचार्य जागिला, कृष्ण नाम सुनी प्रभुर आनंद बाड़िला। बाहिरे प्रभुर तेहो पाइला दर्शन, आस्ते व्यस्ते आसी कैला चरण वंदन। बसीते आसन दिया दुहित बसीला, प्रसाद अन्न खुली प्रभु तारे हाथे दिला। प्रसाद अन्न पाइया भट्टाचार्य आनंद हिला, स्नान संध्या दंत धावन यद्यापि ना कैला। चैतन्य प्रसादे मनेर सब जाड्य गेला, यही श्लोक पढ़ी अन्न भक्षण करिला। शुष्कम पर्युषितम वापि नितम वा दूरदेशतः, प्राप्ति मात्रेण भोक्तव्यम नात्र काल विचारणा। Translation: The priest there presented him with garlands and prasadam that had been offered to Lord Jagannath. This pleased Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very much. Carefully tying the prasadam and garlands in a cloth, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu hastened to the house of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. He arrived at the Bhattacharya's house a little before sunrise, just when the Bhattacharya was arising from the bed. As Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya rose from bed, he distinctly chanted Krishna, Krishna. Lord Chaitanya was very pleased to hear him chant the holy name of Krishna. The Bhattacharya noticed Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu outside, and with great haste he went to him and offered prayers onto his lotus feet. The Bhattacharya offered a carpet for the Lord to sit upon, and both of them sat there. Then Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu opened the prasadam and placed it in the hands of the Bhattacharya. At that time, the Bhattacharya had not even washed his mouth, nor had he taken his bath or finished his morning duties. Nonetheless, he was very pleased to receive the prasadam of Lord Jagannath. By the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all the dullness in the mind of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was eradicated. After reciting the following two verses, he ate the prasadam offered to him. The Bhattacharya said one should eat the Mahaprasadam of the Lord immediately upon receiving it, even though it is dried up, stale, or brought from a distant country. One should consider neither time nor place. Text 226 to 233. न देश नियमस्तत्र न काल नियमस्तथा प्राप्तम अन्नम द्रुतम शिष्टैर भोक्तव्यम हरिर अब्रवीत. देखिए आनंदित हैल महाप्रभुर मन, प्रेमाविष्ट हैया प्रभु कैला आलिंगन. दुई जने धरी दुहे करेन नर्तन, प्रभु भृत्य दुहा स्पर्शे दुहार फुले मन. स्वेद कंप अश्रु दुहे आनंद भासिला, प्रेमाविष्ट हैया प्रभु कहिते लागिला. आजी मुनि अनायासे जिनिनो त्रिभुवन, आजी मुनि करिनो वैकुंठ आरोहन. आजी मोर पूर्ण हैल सर्वाभिलाष, सार्वभौमे रहिला महाप्रसादे विश्वास. आजी तुम्ही निष्कपटे हैला कृष्ण आश्रय, कृष्ण आजी निष्कपटे तोमा हैला सदय. आजी से खंडिला तोमार देहादि बंधन, आजी तुम्ही छिन्न कैले मायार बंधन. Translation. The prasadam of Lord Krishna is to be eaten by gentlemen as soon as it is received. There should be no hesitation. There are no regulative principles concerning time and place. This is the order of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very pleased to see this. He became ecstatic in love of Godhead and embraced Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. The Lord and the servant embraced each other and began to dance. Simply by touching each other, they became ecstatic. As they danced and embraced, spiritual symptoms manifested in their bodies. They perspired, trembled, and shed tears, and the Lord began to speak in his ecstasy. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, "Today I have conquered the three worlds very easily. Today I have ascended to the spiritual world." Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continued, "I think that today all my desires have been fulfilled, because I see that Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya has acquired faith in the Mahaprasadam of Lord Jagannath. Indeed, today you have undoubtedly taken shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna, and Krishna without reservation has become very merciful towards you. My dear Bhattacharya, today you have been released from material bondage in the bodily conception of life. You have cut to pieces the shackles of the illusory energy." Text 234 to 238. आजी कृष्ण प्राप्ति योग्य हैल तोमार मन, वेद धर्म लांगी कैले प्रसाद भक्षण. येषाम शेष भगवान दयायेद अनंतः, सर्वात्मनाश्रित पदो यदि निर्व्यलिकम, ते दुस्तराम अतितरन्ति च देव मायाम, नैषाम ममाहम इति धिहि स्व श्रृगाल भक्षे. एत कही महाप्रभु आयला निज स्थाने, सेई हैते भट्टाचार्य खंडिला अभिमाने. चैतन्य चरणे विनय नाही जाने आन, भक्ति बिनु शास्त्र रार ना करे व्याख्यान। गोपीनाथ आचार्य तार वैष्णवता देखिया, हरि हरि बलि नाचे हाथे ताली दिया। ट्रांसलेशन। Today your mind has become fit to take shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna because, surpassing the Vedic regulative principles, you have eaten the remnants of food offered to the Lord. When a person takes shelter of the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, without reservation, the unlimited merciful Lord bestows His causeless mercy upon him. Thus he can pass over the insurmountable ocean of naisance. Those whose intelligence is fixed in the bodily conception, who think I am this body, are fit food for dogs and jackals. The Supreme Lord never bestows His mercy upon such people. After speaking to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya in this way, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned to his residence. From that day on, the Bhattacharya was free because his false pride had been dismantled. From that day on, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya did not know anything but the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And from that day he could explain the revealed scriptures only in accordance with the process of devotional service. Seeing that Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was firmly fixed in the cult of Acharya, his brother-in-law began to dance, clap his hands and chant Hari Hari. Text 239 to 243. आर दिन भट्टाचार्य आइला दर्शने, जगन्नाथ ना देखी आइला प्रभु स्थाने। दंडवत करी कैला बहु विधिय स्तुति, दैन्य करी कहे निज पूर्व दुर्मति। भक्ति साधना श्रेष्ठ सुनित हैला मन, प्रभु उपदेश कैला नाम संकीर्तन। हरेर नाम इव केवलम, कलौ नास्ते व गतिरन्यथा। यही श्लोक अर्थ सुनाइला करिया विस्तार, सुनी भट्टाचार्य मने हैला चमत्कार. Translation. The next day the Bhattacharya went to visit the temple of Lord Jagannath, but before he reached the temple he went to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When he met Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Bhattacharya fell down flat to offer him respects. After offering various prayers to him, he spoke of his previous bad disposition with great humility. Then the Bhattacharya asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which item is most important in the execution of devotional service? The Lord replied that the most important item was the chanting of the holy name of the Lord. In this age of quarrel and hypocrisy, the only means of deliverance is the chanting of the holy names of the Lord. There is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very elaborately explained the Harer Nama verse of the Brihad Naradiya Puran, and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was struck with wonder to hear his explanation. Text 244 to 251. गोपीनाथ आचार्य बोले, आमी पूर्वे जे कहिला, सुन भट्टाचार्य तोमार सहित हईला. भट्टाचार्य कहे, तारे करी नमस्कारे, तोमार संबंधे प्रभु कृपा कैला मोरे. तुम्ही महाभागवत, आमी तर्क अंध, प्रभु कृपा कैला मोरे तोमार संबंधे. विनय सुनी तुष्टि, प्रभु कैला आलिंगन, कहिला जाया करहो ईश्वर दर्शन. जगदानंद दामोदर दोई संगे लैया, घरे आइला भट्टाचार्य जगन्नाथ देखिया. उत्तम उत्तम प्रसाद बहुत आनिला, निज विप्र हाथे दुई जना संगे दिला. निज कृत दुई श्लोक लिखिया, ताल पाते प्रभु के दिला बली, दिला जगदानंद हाथे. प्रभु स्थाने आइला, दोहुए प्रसाद पत्री लैया, मुकुंद दत्त पत्री नीला, तारा हाथे पैया. Translation. Gopinath Acharya reminded Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, my dear Bhattacharya, what I foretold to you has now taken place. Offering his obeisances to Gopinath Acharya, the Bhattacharya said, because I am related to you and you are a devotee, by your mercy the Lord has shown mercy to me. You are a first class devotee, whereas I am in the darkness of logical arguments. Because of your relationship with the Lord has bestowed His benediction upon me. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very pleased with this humble statement. After embracing the Bhattacharya, he said, "Now go see Lord Jagannath in the temple." After visiting the temple of Lord Jagannath, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya returned home with Jagadanand and Damodar. The Bhattacharya brought large quantities of excellent food remnants blessed by Lord Jagannath. All this prasadam was given to his own Brahmana servant along with Jagadanand and Damodar. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya then composed 2 verses on the leaf of a palm tree. Giving the palm leaf to Jagadananda Prabhu, the Bhattacharya requested him to deliver it to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jagadananda and Damodar then returned to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, bringing him both the prasadam and the palm leaf on which the verses were composed. But Mukundadatta took the palm leaf from the hands of Jagadanand before he could deliver it to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Text 252 to 257. दुई श्लोक बाहिर भीते लिखिया राखिला, तबे जगदानंद पत्री प्रभु के लैया दिला। प्रभु श्लोक पढ़ी पत्र छिंदिया फैलिला, भित्तिये देखी भक्त सब श्लोक कंठे कैला। वैराग्य विद्या निज भक्ति योग शिक्षार्थम एक पुरुष पुराण, श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य शरीरधारी कृपाम्बुधीर यस्तम अहम प्रपद्ये। कालान नष्टम भक्ति योगम निजम यह प्रादुष्कर्तुम कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम आविर्भूतस्तस्य पदारविंदे गाढ़म गाढ़म लियताम चित्त भृंगः। यही दुई श्लोक भक्त कंठे रत्नहार, सार्वभौमेर कीर्ति घोषे ढाका वाद्याकार। सार्वभौम महिला प्रभुर भक्त एक तान, महाप्रभुर सेवा विना नाही जाने आन। Translation. Mukundadatta then copied the 2 verses on the wall outside the room. After this, Jagadanand took the palm leaf from Mukundadatta and delivered it to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. As soon as Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu read the 2 verses, he immediately tore up the palm leaf. However, all the devotees read these verses on the outside wall and they all kept them within their hearts. The verses read as follows. Let me take shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead Sri Krishna, who has descended in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to teach us real knowledge, his devotional service and detachment from whatever does not foster Krishna consciousness. He has descended because he is an ocean of transcendental mercy. Let me surrender onto his lotus feet. Let my consciousness, which is like a honeybee, take shelter of the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who has just now appeared as Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to teach the ancient system of devotional service to himself. This system had almost been lost due to the influence of time. Text 256 to 261. यही दुई श्लोक भक्त कंठे रत्नहार, सार्वभौमेर कीर्ति घोषे. Okay, these 2 verses composed by Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya will always declare his name and fame as loudly as a pounding drum, for they have become pearl necklaces around the necks of all devotees. Indeed, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya became an unalloyed devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He did not know anything but the service of the Lord. Text 258 to 263. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य सचिसुत गुणधाम, यही ध्यान यही जप लय यही नाम. एक दिन सार्वभौम प्रभु आगे आइला, नमस्कार करी श्लोक पढ़ीते लागिला. भागवतेर ब्रह्मस्तवेरा श्लोक पढ़िला, श्लोक शेषे 2 अक्षर पाठ फिराइला. तत्ते अनुकंपाम सुसमीक्षमानो, भुंजान एवात्म कृतम विपाकम. हृदवाग वपुर्भीर नमस्ते जीवेत यो भक्ति पदे स दाय भाक. प्रभु कहे मुक्ति पदे यह पाठ है, भक्ति पदे कहने पढ़। भट्टाचार्य कहे भक्ति सम नहीं मुक्ति फल, भगवत भक्ति विमुखे रहे दंड केवल। Translation: The Bhattacharya always chanted the holy name of Sri Krishna Chaitanya, son of Mother Sachi, and reservoir of all good qualities. Indeed, chanting the holy names became his meditation. One day, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya came before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and after offering obeisances, began to recite a verse. He began to quote one of Lord Brahma's prayers from Srimad Bhagavatam, but he changed 2 syllables at the end of the verse. The Bhattacharya recited, "One who seeks your compassion and thus tolerates all kinds of adverse conditions due to the karma of his past deeds, who engages always in your devotional service with his mind, words, and body, and who always offers obeisances unto you, is certainly a bona fide candidate for becoming your unalloyed devotee." Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu immediately pointed out in that verse, the word is Mukti Pade, but you have changed it to Bhakti Pade. What is your intention? Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya replied, the awakening of pure love of Godhead, which is the result of devotional service, far surpasses liberation from material bondage. For those averse to devotional service, merging into the Brahman effulgence is a kind of punishment. Text 264 to 269. कृष्णेर विग्रह जय सत्य नाही माने, जय निंदा युद्धाधिक करे तार सने, सही दुईरा दंड है ब्रह्म सायुज्य मुक्ति, तार मुक्ति फल नहीं जय करे भक्ति। यद्यपि से मुक्ति है 5 प्रकार, सालों के सामीप्य सारूप्य साष्टि सायुज्यार। सालोक्यादि चारी यदि है सेवा द्वार, तबु कदाचित भक्त करे अंगीकार। सायुज्य सुनीते भक्ते रहे घृणा भय, नरक वांछे तबु सायुज्य नाले। ब्रह्मे ईश्वरे सायुज्य द्वैत प्रकार, ब्रह्म सायुज्य हिते ईश्वर सायुज्य धिकार। Translation: The Bhattacharya continued, the impersonalists who do not accept the transcendental form of Lord Sri Krishna and the demons who are always engaged in blaspheming and fighting with him are punished by being merged into the Brahman effulgence, but that does not happen to the person engaged in the devotional service of the Lord. There are 5 kinds of liberation: Salokya, Samipya, Sarupya, Sarsti, and Sayujya. If there is a chance to serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead, a pure devotee sometimes accepts the Salokya, Sarupya, Samipya, or Sarsti forms of liberation, but never Sayujya. A pure devotee does not like even to hear about Sayujya Mukti, which inspires him with fear and hatred. Indeed, the pure devotee would rather go to hell than merge into the effulgence of the Lord. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya continued, there are 2 kinds of Sayujya Mukti: merging into the Brahman effulgence and merging into the personal body of the Lord. Merging into the Lord's body is even more abominable than merging into his effulgence. Text 270 to 276. Salokya sarsti samipya sarupaikatvam api uta दीयमानम ना गृणंति विना मत सेवनम जनाह। प्रभु कहे मुक्ति पदेरा आर अर्थ है, मुक्ति पद शब्दे साक्षात ईश्वर कहे। मुक्ति पदे जार से मुक्त पद है, किम वा नवम पदार्थ मुक्तिर समाश्रय। 2 अर्थे कृष्ण कही केने पाठ फिरी, सार्वभौम कहे ओ पाठ कहीते ना पारी। यद्यपि तुम्हारा अर्थ यही शब्द कहे, तथापि आश्लिष्य दोषे कहना न जाए। यद्यपि मुक्ति शब्देरा है, पंचवृत्ति रूढ़ी वृत्ति कहे तबु सायुज्य प्रतीति। मुक्ति शब्द कहिते मने है घृणा त्रास भक्ति शब्द कहते माने है तो उल्लास. Translation. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya concluded, even though he is offered all kinds of liberation, the pure devotee does not accept them. He is fully satisfied engaging in the service of the Lord. Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied, the word Muktipade has another meaning. Muktipada directly refers to the Supreme Personality of the Godhead. All kinds of liberations exist under the feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore, he is known as Muktipad. According to another meaning, Mukti is the ninth subject and the Supreme Personality of Godhead is the shelter of liberation. Since I can understand Krishna according to these two meanings, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, what point is there in changing the verse? Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya replied, I was not able to give that reading to the verse. Although your explanation is correct, it should not be used because there is ambiguity in the word Muktipada. The word Mukti refers to 5 kinds of liberation, but its direct meaning usually conveys the idea of becoming one with the Lord. The very sound of the word Mukti immediately induces hate and fear, but when we say the word Bhakti, we naturally feel transcendental bliss within the mind. Text 277 to 286. Shunya hasena prabhu anandita bane Bhattacharya kaila prabhu dृढ़ आलिंगने जय भट्टाचार्य पढ़े पढ़ाए मायावादे तार ऐच्छे वाक्य स्फुरे चैतन्य प्रसादे. लोहा के जावत स्पर्शी हेम नाही करे तावत स्पर्शमणि केहो चिनिते न पारे. भट्टाचार्य वैष्णवता देखी सर्वजन प्रभु के जानीला साक्षात ब्रजेंद्र नंदन. काशी मिश्र आदि जत नीलाचल वासी शरण लैला सबे प्रभु पदे आसी. सही सब कथा आगे करीबा वर्णन सार्वभौम करे जैचे प्रभुर सेवन. जैचे परिपाटी करे भिक्षा निर्वाहन विस्तारिया आगे तहा करीबा वर्णन. यही महाप्रभु लीला सार्वभौम मिलन यह जय श्रद्धा करी करे श्रवण. ज्ञान कर्म पाश हैते है विमोचन अचिरे मिलये तारे चैतन्य चरण. श्री रूप रघुनाथ पदे जा रास चैतन्य चरितमत कहे कृष्णदास. Upon hearing this explanation, the Lord began to laugh and with great pleasure immediately embraced Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya very firmly. Indeed, that very person who had been accustomed to reading and teaching Mayavada philosophy was now even hating the word Mukti. This was possible only by the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. As long as it does not turn iron into gold by its touch, no one can recognize an unknown stone to be touchstone. Upon seeing transcendental Vaishnavism in Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, everyone could understand that Lord Chaitanya was none other than Krishna, the son of Nanda Maharaj. After this incident, all the inhabitants of Jagannath Puri, headed by Kashi Mishra, came to take shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord. Later I shall describe how Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya always engaged in the service of the Lord. I shall also describe in full detail how Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya perfectly rendered service to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by offering him alms. If one hears with faith and love these pastimes concerning Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's meeting with Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he very soon is freed from the net of speculation and fruitive activity and attains the shelter of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's lotus feet. Praying at the lotus feet of Sri Rupa and Sri Raghunath, always desiring their mercy, I, Krishnadas, narrate Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita following in their footsteps. So here ends the 6th chapter of Madhya Leela. Hari Bol, Dandat Pranam.